If three consecutive coefficients in the expansion of x plus y power n are in the ratio 1:9:63, the value of n. Right? So, nice question. So, the r plus 1th term. So, if I have x plus 1 whole square, this is x square plus 2x plus 1. If I have whole square, there are 3 terms. If you have whole power 4, there are 5 terms. The whole power n, there are n plus 1 terms. The n r plus 1th term is ncr x power n minus r y power r. And this is binomial theorem expansion 101, very simple, and binomial expansion. And then we simplify this. What this question is telling us is, hey, the coefficients, this is x and y, coefficients, you go from first coefficient to n plus 1th coefficient. The first coefficient and the last are same, second and last but 1 are same, third and last but 2 are same. Gently the coefficients increase from first to middle and then reduce from middle to end. So that n plus 1 coefficients, the middle coefficient or the middle 2 coefficients are going to be the largest. And so these 3 are like this, and there's on the way to the middle where this is happening. So you can say, hey, tk is to term k plus 1 is to term k plus 2 is 1:9:63. I don't want to do tk plus 1, tk plus 2. I'm going to say, hey, this is tr plus 1. I'm going to say, hey, ncr is to ncr plus 1 to ncr plus 2 is 1:9:63. Right? Now I'm going to see if I can get slightly smart about this. Right? So imagine we're talking about 9c2, 9c3, 9c4. 9c2 is 9 into 8 by 1 into 2. It's 9 into 8 by 1 into 2 to 7 by 6, 7 by 3. 9 into 8 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3. This is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. And so I take this, I multiply by 7 by 3, I get this. I take this, I multiply by 6 by 4, I get this. So I'm going to say, hey, I'm multiplying to some part. Maybe this term is k. This is k into some a by b. This is k into a minus 1 by b into b plus 1. The factorial numerator part keeps reducing the number, integer part. Denominator keeps increasing. So if I get this, then I've got a complete handle on what is a by b, what is a into a minus 1 by b into b plus 1. So my ratio of coefficients is k is to k into a by b is to k into a minus 1 by b into b plus 1. The moment I do this, I know a by b is 9. This is 63, a by b is 9, a minus 1 by b plus 1 is 7. 9 into 7 is 63, so this is 7. A is 9b, 9b minus 1 is 7 times b plus 1. 9b minus 1 is 7b plus 7. 2b is 8, b is 4, a is 9b, a is 36. Brilliant. So some expansion is k. The next one is k into 36 by 4. The next one is k into 36 into 35 by 4 into 5. 36 by 4 is 9, 35 by 5 is 7, 9 into 7 is 63. Perfectly works. Fine. Brilliant. Now we need to still find n. Fine. So beautiful question. If you look at it, 9c2 is 9 into 8 by 1 into 2. 9 into 8 by 1 into 2 into 7 by 3. 9 into 8 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. And so multiplying by 7 by 3, multiplying by 6 by 4. 7 plus 3 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 8 plus 2 is 10, 9 plus 1 is 10. So if I'm dealing with NCR plus 1, NCR plus 3 in each term, the two numerator and denominator, what I multiply with, the numerator plus denominator adds up to 10. And so, or 36 plus 4 is 40, 35 plus 5 is 40, n plus 1 is 40, n is 39. Absolutely delightful question. If I'm doing 39CR, 39CR plus 1, 39CR plus 2, somewhere along the way in that journey, there will be 39 C, that R, CR plus 1, CR plus 2 will be in the ratio 1:9:63. More specifically, I have 39 into 38 into 37 by 1 into 2 into 3. 39 into 38 into 37 into 36 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 39 into 38 into 37 into 36 into 35 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. This ratio is 1:9:63. 39C3, 39C4, 39C5 are the ratio 1:9:63. So the n is 39. We're talking about 39C3, 39C4, 39C5. Brilliant question.